Regardless of GUI or graphical user interface advancements in operating systems, applications, tools, programs, and services are invoked behind the scenes through command line. Think of operating systems without any GUI, where you specify commands followed by options and other information in the terminal. Now, these options following the commands are referred to as command line arguments. In order to use command line arguments in a C program, we need to specify two arguments to the main function. These arguments can be accessed and processed from within the main function. The parenthesis in main can be empty, or you may explicitly type void if the program actually does not use any command line arguments. When the arguments are specified, the first one is an integer that represents the number of arguments entered at the command prompt. The main program itself is the first argument by default. The second argument is an array of strings that represents the values entered at the command prompt. The value of the first string is the name of the program run. Let us see an example. So within the main function, we pass in two arguments to represent the command line arguments. One is an integer and another is an array of strings. Now by default, if we just print the first argument and the second argument, we can expect this to be 1 and the value for the second argument to be the name of the program itself. So let us build and run this code. ./a.out is the name of our program. So as we can see, the number of arguments is 1 and the value of that argument is ./a.out. Now let us have a for loop and try to read and print some command line arguments. So for I is equal to 0, I less than argc, It is print I plus 1 followed by argv of I. Let us specify the placeholder formatter as %d and %s. Okay, we are missing a parenthesis here. Now this is one a dot out. Now if we type a dot out hello world, we expect this to be 1, 2 and 3. So this is 1, 2 and 3. If we type hello world this way, we get 2 arguments. This is considered as a single one. Thank you.